Hi everyone, I am going to explain one problem for my channel Matzy. In this channel, I am doing important problems for competitive examination. Now, I am going to do one problem from the topic average. This is from the chapter arithmetic ability. Okay, this question they asked during the year of 2019 in SSC CGL Tier 1 CBE examination. 4 options are also given in this problem. We have to find out and tick the correct answer. Okay. What is average? Average is the sum of observations by number of observations. While a teacher is calculating the average of your marks, how she is doing? She is adding all your marks. Am I right? Then dividing the total by the number of subjects what you have written. Okay, that is the concept of average. In this problem, 3 numbers are not given, but some relationship among the 3 numbers is given. By using that relationship, we have to construct equations and find out the average of the 3 original numbers. Okay, let us see what is there. See, 3 numbers are such that if the average of any 2 of them is added to the third number, that means you have to, 3 numbers are there. Let us take them as x, y, z. If you add the first 2 numbers and divide it by 2, you will get the average of first 2 numbers. That average you have to add with the third number. Then what will you get? 164 you will get. That is given in the problem. If you take the next 2 numbers y and z and find out the average, add that average with the first number x, then you will get 158. It is given. Similarly, if you do the same operation, that is, if you add the first and last number and find out the average, then if you add that average with the middle number, you will get 132. That is given. Let us do the problem. Let 3 numbers be x, y, z. What is given? When you add first 2 numbers and divide it by 2, that is when you find out the average of first 2 numbers and add with the third number, add that average with the third number, you are getting 164. Next, I am taking LCM is 2, then doing cross multiplication. Okay, so what I will get? X plus y plus 2z is equal to 328. First equation. Similarly, I am constructing second equation. I am adding the average of second and third number with the first number is equal to 158. After taking LCM, doing cross multiplication, I am getting 302x plus y plus z is equal to 316. Okay, this is the second equation. Finally, third equation, I am finding out the average of first and last number, adding with the middle number. What I am getting? 132. Okay, that is given in the problem. After taking LCM, doing cross multiplication, I am getting x plus z plus 2y is equal to 264. That is third equation. Now, by solving these 3 equations, we can easily get x plus y plus z. Let us see. Adding 1, 2 and 3. What I am getting? In the first equation, 2z is there. In the second equation, 2x is there. In the third equation, 2y is there. So, I am getting 2x plus 2y. I am adding all the 3 equations, no, 2z. Then apart from that, 2x plus 2y. When you add, you are getting this. Is equal to, what is RHS? Add all the RHS. 164 plus 300 and not 164. 328 plus 316 plus 264. Am I right? When you add these three, I am getting 4x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 324. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 1. Carrying, after that 9, 10. Okay, 9 or 8. Okay, I am taking 4 as common. So x plus y plus z is equal to 908 by 4. 2 4s are 8. 10. Again 2 4s are 227. Okay, what is this? X plus y plus z is equal to 227. But what we have to find out? Average of these three. So average of x comma y comma z is equal to x plus y plus z divided by 3. 3 numbers, no? So 227 by 3. Divide. 7 3s are 21. 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 2. So what is that? 75. Remainder is 2. Divisor is, okay, 3. So 2 over 3. Which is the correct option? Option A is correct. Correct option. Option A. By solving like these problems, you'll get an idea to crack your questions easily. Thank you.